YouTube, it's W7MBP. I did a video on pipe smoking, and I wanted to include in the video, and I forgot, on how I load a pipe. One of the frustrations I had when I first started smoking was getting a pipe to stay lit. I'm not saying this is a guaranteed way, but it works well for me. You could probably search on YouTube too. Where I found it was, it's called the Frank's method. It's like a Swedish guy or something packing the pipe, and where I learned it was probably 4 or 5 years ago. Oh, longer than that, probably 6 years ago. But how it is, it's 3 parts. You put a loose in, and then you put a semi-pack in, and then another group and a pack. So I'm going to demonstrate real quick. So this is some Lane 1Q. I'm going to make a mess. I usually have something under it. So I got loose. I'm just going to kind of just drop it in there. Notice it's up above. It's not packed in there. Okay. So now I'm going to take another package, and see all this loose down here. Do it over your container or whatever, and so you won't waste it. So now I've got another. I'm going to put it in there now, and I'm just packing it to the top. I'm not pushing down there, okay? And now you got some hanging out. And now the third, good pinch of it, I'm going to put in there. And now I'm going to press it down in there. I like to pack my pipe so it's like a 1/16 of an inch below the bowl. Maybe you can put more in there, but that's the way I did it. So I got 3 pinches, good pinches of tobacco. Bigger than dip snuff by far. So put it in there, let it sit, don't pack. The next one on top of it, pack it level. Not really packing it, just pushing it down neatly so it's level. And then the third one, put on top and press it down. It'll give you a nice smooth draw. There's a little force needs to be done on it, but you can light this. And what usually happens to me when I light it the first time, and I move my match around it and get it lit. I draw on it a few times, it'll go down, and then I think they call it the charring light. Then I'll take it and I'll get a tamper and just slightly tamp it down, light it again, and then it will stay lit. The whole time, if I'm taking a draw off it every minute or so, it'll stay lit. If you sit it down, there's a chance it'll go out. But hey, I just wanted to give that as kind of a helpful way to, if you want to smoke a pipe. Again, W7MBP signing off. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy smoke.